Hello guys on YouTube. I just thought that I would film a little bit of wash action from my candy. Today my candy is on a boil wash at 90 degrees with a load of bedding and towels, and I just thought that you might be interested to see some of the wash action. We got 1 hour and 1 minute left on the clock. That's heated. Feels like it's getting close to 90. It will drain out at approximately 30 minutes, and that will give it enough time to do 2 rinses and a final spin at 1000 RPM. I would show you my tumble dryer, but I don't think my tumble dryer will be needed today because as you can see, it's quite a nice day outside, and I'm hoping that it will dry my washing, so I'm going to be putting it on the line. But my tumble dryer is a Bloomberg and it's in the lounge, so I should just take you through to show you my tumble dryer. So guys, here it is. Here is my Bloomberg tumble dryer. It's centre dry, and I've had it for a few years and I really like it. I'll show you an overview on it another time when I'm going to use it, but I just thought I would show you it. Sometimes the load needs to go back in for a second round of drying, as it may not always come out dry enough the first time. But I do like my tumble dryer a lot. So yes, I just thought I would go back in the kitchen and show you it. And for those of you who really want to know where the foam is, there you go. Can you see the foam? I can. That's my detergent. These are little small tablets. I get these delivered through my letterbox every time I want a box of them. They cost half the amount of leading detergent brands, and they're really good. They get stains out. They don't get too sudsy, and I enjoy using them. So I just thought that I wanted to show you them. and you've got 57 minutes left. I might come back when it's on the rinses or the spins. But yes, I thought that I would just show you my candy in action. Anyway, guys, I'm going to switch off now, and I will see you later. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.